Working with Gordon is inspirational. You can't have a conversation with him about the food, the menu, the dining room, the crockery, the plates, without learning something. He really is. His passion and his enthusiasm is infectious. Hi, I'm James Sharp and I'm the executive chef of Restaurant 1890 by Gordon Ramsay. Here, above the iconic entrance to the Savoy Hotel, we have our intimate dining space with 10 tables, 24 guests, and we're open for dinner Tuesday to Saturday with lunch on Fridays and Saturdays. So welcome to our service kitchen. So we have the main pass here and down to our sauce and fish section, and then down the far end is where we do all our pastry and all of our desserts. We've sort of 6 or 7 chefs working up in this space. So 1890 is in honour of the legendary French chef Georges-Auguste Escoffier and the year he joined the hotel. We take inspiration from his dishes, his recipes, his techniques, and that's what this restaurant is all about. It's honouring the great chef. Since earning the Michelin star, it's made us busier. The guests' expectations are higher, the restaurant is full every evening, and it's really made us raise the bar of what we do, trying to raise the expectations and surpass the expectations of the guests. Today we're going to cook for you Cornish red chicken with asparagus, morels and sauce Albufera. So this is the main course on our current tasting menu. We're going to start by breaking down the chicken, removing the breasts, the wings and the legs, ready to cook sous vide. So we take our 2 thighs, we glue them together, we wrap them in cling film, and then we'll sous vide that, cook it at 65 degrees, and then press it overnight. So we'll remove the wingtip, the mini fillet, and we'll save that for the mousse later on, and then any of the sinew. So we'll start off by making our asparagus puree. So in a hot pan for our asparagus, salt, and then just a ladle of chicken stock. So that's our asparagus ready to blend into a puree. Now we're going to make the chicken mousse to stuff the morels. So we're going to take the mini fillets off of the chicken, a little bit double cream and salt, and then blend it in the paco. As that's the mousse done, ready to add the asparagus puree to stuff the morels. So now we have our mousse ready to stuff the morels. So now we're going to make the chicken jus gras. So we'll start off by colouring off the chicken bones into olive oil, sweat off some shallots with the aromats, coriander seeds, white peppercorns, thyme, bay leaf and a little bit of rosemary, before reducing down our white wine and adding our stocks. So whilst the jus gras is reducing, we'll make our sauce Albufera. We'll start off by reducing our brandy and our madeira, and then in another pan, chicken stock, our shallots and garlic, white peppercorns and coriander seeds, and then finally a bay leaf and some thyme. So now everything is reduced, we're ready to add our alcohol to our chicken stock, and then our cream. So now our sauce has come up to the boil, we add our foie gras, reduce to consistency, and then blend and pass. So we're just going to cook our asparagus tips, rondelles and wild asparagus in a little chicken emulsion before finishing off our morels in a compound butter made of shallots, garlic, mustard and parsley. So now we're ready to plate. We'll start off by getting our nice crispy skin on our chicken breast, our thigh and our wing. So we start off with our asparagus puree, followed by our breast, thigh and wing. Crispy pomme dauphines, Turkish morels, asparagus tip, rondelles and wild asparagus, with crispy chicken skin, garlic capers, chickweed and chive flowers. And there we have our Cornish red chicken with Turkish morels, asparagus and sauce albufera. My favourite part of being the chef here at Restaurant 1890 by Gordon Ramsay is the team. Not just the brigade in the kitchen, but the front of house as well. I'm extremely fortunate to have had a really loyal brigade here, and it's that strength, that unity that has enabled us to drive and to continue to grow as a restaurant.